Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you again. This is a special video for beginners, those that are trying to start out with Go High Level. You realize that you need to get this program, you need to get with it. You want to start a business at home, you want to start using all the different features, and you're just not sure where to start. So I want to talk to you today a little bit about that, because this is actually something that's very confusing for somebody who's beginning. It can be a little bit unnerving when you're looking at starting. And so I'm just going to offer you some hope, some anxiety release. And let you know that there is so much opportunity out there. It is insane. And you are not behind the eight ball. Go High Level is growing, and what it can do for businesses is growing, and the number of businesses out there needing Go High Level is ever increasing. Now, other thing that's happening is it's expanding worldwide, so more and more countries are getting involved as well. But what I wanted to show you today was I'm going to primarily focus on one site, and that is this site right here. This is the 30-day free trial with live bootcamp offer that's available from High Level. And what they do is they do a live bootcamp to help people get started and really get their high level going. So I'm going to show you this and kind of go through it a little bit. But first I want to just tell you a little bit more about what I offer if you subscribe to the High Level program under me. So yeah, I've recently set up a community for people that are starting out, and I called it Ancient Rockets. And the reason I did that is because I know there's a lot of people in my age group that are looking to build businesses from home. Maybe you've recently been laid off. Maybe you're retired. That'd be nice. And you're looking for something else to do. Or maybe you're just in one of those tight situations where you need another income, like so many people do, and you're looking to kind of expand your horizons. So what I've done is I created Ancient Rockets. Now, it's not just for Gen Xers like me. It's for anybody who's looking to build their entrepreneurship. But what I've got here is if you come to my website, which is called GHL Buzz, I've got a little video here that kind of runs through what Ancient Rockets is all about. But you can unlock a 30-day trial here. For this video, I'm sharing a different link than this one, but just know that you can get started. If you click Get Started here, it's going to pop up this little box, and it's going to tell you you can start a free trial, get a 1-hour onboarding session, also get access to the new Ancient Rockets community at 100% off. So what I'm doing, this community is brand new, so I'm just getting subscribers on it now, but I'm offering it 100% free for anybody who actually gets their high level trial through my link. They can come into the community for free and get all the benefits of it. There's going to be so much activity in there. I'll show you it in just a sec. Others have to pay $20 to get in, $20 a month. It's a membership. So this is one thing that I'm offering. So you just fill out your name here. An email will be sent to you with all the details of how you sign up. I'll just share you a little bit. Right here, it talks about the Ancient Rockets community, awesome new community with practical tips and tools and insights, normally $20 a month membership. But anyone on a trial or purchase who purchased GHL through my link gets a 100% discount code, aka free access, weekly meetings. So every Thursday and Friday, we have live meetings where we sit in with a really powerful coaching group. When you fill out this form, you'll get an email. You'll also get taken to this page. This is a kind of a thank you page saying, thanks for submitting the form. Then it gives you details. This little video explains what to do. I say start your 30-day trial here. And then, so here's the 3 steps you need to do, this one. And then once you are actually registered with your link, you will be able to join the community for free, because I'll give you a code to allow you to get it. If you just go straight to the community, I'll show you what it does here. It pops up with the purchase form. So that's the $20 a month. But if you have the code, then you can add the coupon code here and you'll get the discount. And you can only do that if you do sign up through my link. So After you sign up, you get this video page. Then it recommends doing this 30-day free trial link right here. But what I'm saying right now is you might want to do this instead. So this is another free trial, 30-day free trial, but it comes with the bootcamp. And I will honor this as well. So if you go through my link, which will be below in the description for the bootcamp, it'll also be sent in that email. So please do register on the ghl.buzz website. It'll take you to this page. What does this bootcamp do? Well, it is a live bootcamp with a high-level coach. So somebody directly from Highlevel. They do it every week. Everybody's invited that signs up to come. And by the end of the course, they say you will leave the bootcamp with a live business. You can see that right here. Basically, they're going to take you through the whole system, how it works, walk you through step by step. This is really awesome way to get started. And so that's why I wanted to really make this known, because a lot of people don't even know that this exists. But this 30-day free trial with the free bootcamp gets you rolling, puts your feet on the ground, gets you running right away with Highlevel. And by the end of it, it's saying you will have that, like, they go through all types of different business models you can use, and then you can pick one that you like and start. And so while your free trial is still going, before you have to pay anything, you can actually start to earn and get your first customers and never have to pay, because the money you make from your customers will pay for it. So, they mentioned some of the stats. There's over 70,000 users for Highlevel. Now, these are business to business. So this does not count the number of businesses that are using Highlevel, because remember, most people that are using Highlevel have their own agency business where they're providing business to businesses. So within their sub accounts, they have hundreds of businesses under their sub account. Those businesses are paying them, but they're the one that's showing up in this number here. So there's actually, millions of users, multiple hundreds of thousands at least. Over 500 million plus in revenue generated by GHL users for their businesses, 84 plus countries. That's what I was just saying, that they're expanding more and more into different countries. Sign up now for the next Highlevel Bootcamp, happening every weekday at 11 a.m. Central Time, and experience it for yourself. So every weekday at 11 a.m. So the next one is happening at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, but you can see how this page updates, and you can join when you can join. There's also replays you can take a look at as well, but that's not as good as being there live, where you can actually get into the breakout rooms and get the coaching that you need. So important, this is not another webinar. It's a click-by-click live bootcamp where you can get stuff done together. Here's what we'll cover. Quick win setup with text marketing. Quick win setup number 2, missed call text back. Quick win setup number 3, the mobile app. Social media integration. Google Business Chat. Reputation reviews management. Live Zoom format with Highlevel team. 60 minutes maximum per session, I guess. Breakout room experience with smaller groups. Plus, get these amazing bonuses: the lead gen playbook giveaway, 5-day challenge access giveaway. Now, I also, in my email that goes out to you, I give you the way to get to the 5-day challenge. That's another great tool for getting started. It's actually a 5-day intense challenge to get you up and running. SaaSpreneur Playbook giveaway, Highlevel Launch Snapshot giveaway, Highlevel Funnel giveaway. So you can join the bootcamp right there. Yes, this is all 100% free when you join today. 5-day reviews challenge course. Here's the SaaSpreneur Playbook. So all this is in here. Now, get started in 3 simple steps. Sign up on this page for free. Attend the free bootcamp every weekday. Scale your business with Highlevel. There's stars, and there's a bunch of testimonials about it, and there's some facts on there. So I'll give you this link below. But what I wanted to show you is what happens when you get on the inside of Highlevel. So this is where it gets fun. You will start out, where am I? Here we go. You will start out here. So this is what your Highlevel is going to look like to start with. It's totally branded as Highlevel. This is your dashboard area. It's got the Highlevel logo up here at the top. I think when you come in, it'll start on this Launchpad page, but it asks you to connect Stripe to get started. You don't even need to worry about that yet. This is just for once you start getting your billing and all that type of stuff set up, you need to have your Stripe account. But you'll find out that there's a lot more other integrated payment gateways you can use as well. Stripe is just the easiest and most integrated. I do recommend starting with that. But if you go down here to University, click on that. I may have to log into this here. Okay, so in the University, it's going to ask me to, let's go here. I'm just going to throw a picture in here. Sure, that's good. Decision time. It is decision time. Basically in here, there's learning that you can do. All these courses are in here for you. Now it depends which level you set up as. So you may not be on the SaaS Pro version. I think you get more courses on SaaS Pro than you do on the unlimited version. So there's 3 different ways you can sign up a course. The $97, then there's the unlimited package, and then there is the SaaS Pro package. So the SaaS Pro is where you get much more white label branding abilities, and you can make packages that you sell with only certain things available to certain customers. So you can do a lot more refining, whereas the unlimited one, which is actually what I recommend you start with, the unlimited package is $297 a month. It gives you unlimited sub accounts, so you can have unlimited businesses that you work with. You can still white label it. It's just a little bit different. You can't do the rebilling quite the same, but you can do everything else in there. Social media manager, AI, everything. Everything's in there. You can also white label it, put your own logo. So on the dashboard here, you can have your own logo. You can have your own color scheme. You can still do that on the unlimited. The SaaS Pro, you can do that much more effectively, but on unlimited, you can still do it. I highly recommend starting with unlimited. But if you're just doing the trial, you may as well start with SaaS Pro. You can always downgrade later. What I was going to recommend here is, first of all, take a look through here because there's all types of great information. But the 5-day challenges here, these town halls are updates every week. So this one 1 day ago was about email marketing changes that they've done, website and funnels, AI. That's actually really cool what they're doing with that. They've got a full AI builder like Manus or some of the other ones right in Highlevel. So you can just build websites from a prompt, all types of stuff coming with that. But if you go back, this is the agency dashboard. So this is what you use to control all your sub accounts. The sub accounts are where you set up your businesses, and you want to have one for your own business. If I go here, you'll see I have a test sub account here, but I can actually go in and start building businesses on here, creating sub accounts for businesses. This is all available to you. Explore it. Take a look around. The other thing I was going to show you is on the top right here, announcements, like changelog announcements. So new changes will pop up here. Notifications will pop up if you have some notification that's coming out for you. Right here, if you go to support, you can start a Zoom call to get support. You can also contact Highlevel right here. This is just really helpful. This help center right here, anytime you have a question about something, how it works, you can go in here. Now, the thing about my Ancient Rockets community that makes this a sweet deal for you is once you get to this page, after you've signed up for the 30-day bootcamp, I want you to send me an email. You'll receive an email. As soon as you get to this page, there's actually an email on its way to you. Go ahead and watch this video. Send me an email. I'll respond to it. And then you will be able to sign up for Ancient Rockets just by clicking either this Join Ancient Rockets community or this, and then you get the coupon code and it's free, 100% free. Okay. So the reason I have to do it that way is because I have to verify before I send the coupon code for you. And then you'll get access to the community here. There's lots in here now, but there's going to be even more. Remember, this is brand new, so I'm just getting it set up. But there'll be some learning in here. There'll be some snapshots available as well that you can use within your own business for your members. But yeah, there's AMAs, there's live events. Like I was saying, on every Thursday and Friday, we have our playbook event. You can come into that and join it live. You'll be able to attend that and ask questions through me, because I'm actually paying for this group and I've got permission to rebroadcast it into this community. Tons of great information just from that one group alone that will help you in your business tremendously. Also answer questions that you may have. Now, we'll also have AMA sessions. We'll also have interviews with other people in the industry. I've already got a few lined up that are going to be coming in with some of the strategies they've been successful with, to explain exactly how to do that. So all that and more is available through my subscription. Please go ahead and do that. Remember, you can get to it from here, start here, sign up, then go to this link below in the description. It'll also get it in the email to this 30-day boot camp, and start with this boot camp to get yourself really rolling fast. So I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for those that are beginning in high level to understand how to use it. It can be a little bit overwhelming. It was for me. I started with a free trial, 14-day free trial. I didn't have access to a 30-day, unfortunately, but it didn't matter actually, because what happened is I got going. Maybe you've seen some of my other videos. Once I got into it and once I saw what it was, because I use ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels was expensive. This is so much cheaper than that, and you get so much more. And the automations, everything that they've tied into it, I just started going wild in there. And I started building things and trying things out. And so I have loved it ever since. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars. I started in early 2024 with Highlevel, and I've just been growing since then. I know there's others out there in the same situation as me, want to understand how to grow, what they can do. So please join, jump on my community. Even those of you who are young, straddling young people that are looking to build a business, come on down, join the Ancient Rockets. I'd love for feedback to start growing in there. There's lots of things I'm hoping to offer in there. I also want to get other people's ideas of what they want in there, and I can get access to a lot of different things just from the contacts and connections I've made. So thank you for that. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share, and go ahead and sign up for your 30-day free trial right here. Hopefully this has been somewhat helpful for you. By the way, I'm going to be doing a tutorial inside on how to actually white label without the SaaS. So if you have the unlimited package, how do you white label your account? I'm going to show how to do that, and it's actually not that difficult. So blessings to you all. We'll see you on the other side.